Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. What we have for today is a Hall effect sensor called A1332. To have a better idea of its specifications, applications and working environments, let's sail through the website controleverything.com and here search for A1332. Now A1332 is a precision Hall effect rotational angle sensor. The A1332 incorporates a Hall sensor IC that measures the direction of the magnetic field vector through 360 degree in the XY plane. The A1332 computes the angle based on the actual physical reading as well as any internal parameters set by the user. Today I will be interfacing this sensor with an Arduino Nano. For that I require a code. So go to resource tab and here is our Arduino code sample. Click on this and you can download it from here. Now you can also have this code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything community. Now let's have a look over the connections we require and let's go ahead. Coming to the connections part, first of all we require an Arduino Nano, which you are able to see on my screen. Next, this is an I2C sheet. This is available on our website controleverything.com, and the reason we use is to make the connections with other I2C devices very easy. So gently place the Arduino Nano over the I2C sheet like this. Now we require our sensor, that is A1332, and this is a connecting cable. Make the connection among the sensor and the cable like this, and please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same fact goes for the I2C sheet. Now this is a mini USB cable which we require to power up our Arduino Nano. Gently insert it here, and this is how we complete our connections part. Now let's have a look over the code. For the interfacing among the sensor and the Arduino Nano, we require the code. So go to github.com and here search for Control Everything community, as you can see on my screen. Click on here and here search for A1332, and this is our sensor. This is the required Arduino code, but let's have a look on the instruction first. We have to download and install the Arduino software ID on our local machine, and this is the link which will guide us through the procedure for the installation. Please have a go through look on this. Get back to the code, and here is our code with .in extension. First thing you notice that we have included wire.h library in the code, and the address of our sensor is 0x0c. In the void setup function, we have initialized serial communication and the baud rate is 9600. In the next part, we have requested and read 2 bytes of data from the sensor, and here we have checked and converted the data which is according to the data sheet of A1332. At the end of our code, we have our data on the output monitor and it's in magnetic angle. So this is how our code is. Now let's have a look over the code and how it works. Now for the working of the sensor, first of all we have to copy this entire code of Arduino and go to the Arduino. Here paste the entire code and save it. Now compile the code. After compilation, upload the code. The uploading is in process, as you can see, and now code uploading is done. Now we have to check the results on the serial monitor, and here are they. Magnetic angle is there, and when I place the magnet here and slightly started rotating it, magnetic angle changes slightly. As you can see, it's increasing a little bit. So this is how our code works with the sensor. Now let's proceed further. So we have just seen the working of Hall effect sensor A1332. The A1332 is a 360 degree contactless high resolution programmable magnetic angle position sensor. This system on chip architecture includes a front-end circular vertical Hall technology, programmable microprocessors based signal processing, full-term angular measurement, and on-chip double EEPROM technology for flexible programming of calibration parameters. These features provide an extremely accurate and linear output for both end-of-shaft applications and as well as off-axis applications. Now, they are used in electronic power systems called EPS, in transmissions, torsion bars, and so on. The product is available on this very site, and you can also have the Arduino code here. Now you can also have the Arduino code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. In case of any further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com and post your comments on our community page. For more blogs and articles, you can contact us on Instructables and also reach us on hexter.io. To subscribe more video tutorials like this, you can go to our YouTube channel. In the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.